Snow.
Snow is a special kind of weather. It falls from the sky in tiny white flakes. Snowflakes are unique. No two snowflakes are the same. Each one has a different shape and design. Snow can change the world around us. When it snows, the ground becomes white. Trees wear a blanket of snow. Roads and cars are covered too. Everything looks quiet and peaceful. People often feel happy when it snows. Children love to play in the snow. They build snowmen and make snow angels. They throw snowballs at each other. Snow can be fun. However, it can also be cold. The temperature drops when it snows. People wear warm clothes. They put on coats, hats, gloves, and boots. Warm clothes help us stay cozy. Snow makes the world beautiful. It sparkles in the sunlight. The trees look like they are covered in sugar. Snow makes everything look magical. Many people take photos of the snow. They want to remember how lovely it looks. When snow covers the ground, animals also feel the change. Some animals sleep through winter. They hibernate in warm places. Bears and squirrels do this. Other animals, like deer, search for food. They dig through the snow to find grass or leaves. Snow can create problems too. It can make roads slippery. This can cause accidents. Drivers must be careful. Snow can also block paths. People may have to shovel snow to clear away. This can be hard work, but it is necessary. Many people enjoy winter sports in the snow. Skiing is popular. Skiers go to mountains where there is lots of snow. They glide down the slopes quickly. Snowboarding is another fun sport. Snowboarders ride on a board instead of skis. Some people like to go ice skating. They skate on frozen lakes or rinks. It is a joyful activity. Families often go together. They laugh and have fun. In some places, snow is a big part of winter. In the mountains, it can snow a lot. This is great for ski resorts. Tourists come to enjoy the snow. They stay in cozy cabins and have fun in the snow. Snow also brings holidays. Many cultures celebrate in winter. Christmas is one of them. Snow adds to the holiday spirit. People decorate their homes with lights. They hang ornaments on trees. In some countries, people celebrate with festivals. They have parades with floats and music. There are also special foods to enjoy. Hot chocolate is a favorite drink. People warm up with a cup after playing in the snow. Snow can change our plans. Sometimes, schools close when it snows heavily. Students cheer because they have a day off. They can play in the snow or relax at home. Snow can also be a time for quiet. People stay inside and enjoy the warmth. They read books or watch movies. Some like to cook or bake. The smell of cookies fills the house. Snow is not just for fun and games. It is important for nature too. It helps to keep the soil moist. When snow melts, it provides water for plants in spring. This is vital for flowers and trees to grow. In some areas, snow is part of the water cycle. It falls in winter and melts in spring. This water goes into rivers and lakes. It helps to supply water for people and animals. Snow can be a teacher. It teaches us about seasons. Winter comes after autumn. In winter, snow can fall. Spring follows winter. As the weather warms, the snow melts. Snow can inspire art. Many artists paint beautiful winter scenes. They capture the beauty of snow-covered landscapes. Photographers take stunning pictures of snowy mountains and trees. Poets often write about snow. They describe its beauty and its feelings. Snow can bring back memories. It reminds people of childhood fun and joy. Snow is a wonder of nature. It brings joy and challenges. It is a beautiful part of the winter season. Whether we love to play in it or admire it from inside, snow is special. In conclusion, snow is a fascinating part of winter. It transforms our world. It brings joy to children and warmth to our hearts. Snow can be magical, peaceful, and fun. Every snowfall is a new experience. Let us cherish the beauty of snow.